Hello everyone, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. My name is Lynn and you are welcome to Cooking with Efia. Today I share with you how you can perfectly fry fish. You will love this recipe, so all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. So if today being your first time on this channel, do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. Alright, so today I'm going to be frying some red snapper, okay? Next, I'm going to start by peeling off the scales, just the way you see it on your screens right now. I'll also remove the operculum, the gills, and also the fins as well. Just remove every part that you don't need from this fish, alright? So whilst we're cleaning the fish, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the fish is nice and well clean. So I'm going to wash this with some vinegar and also salt, and I'll soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards I'll start by cleaning the fish very well, okay? And we also want to create some incisions on this fish as well. You can as well omit this process totally. So afterwards I'll clean it for the last time and I'll season it very well. And whilst we're cleaning the fish, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now we are done with the cleaning of the fish, and this is how it looks like. It looks very fresh and very clean. So I was seasoning the fish with some garlic, ginger and onion powder and a little bit of fish seasoning. I'll massage it very well, just the way you see it on your screens right now, because I really want the seasonings to incorporate very well. Fish doesn't take a lot of time to marinate, so approximately I'm going to keep this for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes and it should be okay. So whilst that is done, I'll go ahead and heat up some cooking oil. For the oil, use any cooking oil of your choice, okay? Now the oil is nice and well heated, so I'll sprinkle a little bit of flour, and also I'll go in with some onions to give the oil extra flavor, and afterwards I'll start to drop in my fish. So now let's fry this fish until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. And while that is going on, don't forget as well that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the fish is nice and well fried, as you can see. Achinankasa, it looks very crispy and just perfect. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this fried fish recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.